What's up, gang? So we're back with another video, and today, for the first time ever, I'm towing my own car. Usually we drive this car, but because we did spend a pretty penny on the built motor, I don't want to put any extra miles driving this car back to Virginia, but she has to go back for some upgrades and some stuff we didn't do in the last video that you guys saw on the dyno. And I took the car to Race Motive. So the car, it still has a stock manifold. We got to upgrade the injectors. We're gonna do, so Norris hit me up. He told me to bring the car by initially because we're gonna be doing the Elite turbo manifold kit, their new T4 flange kit, basically, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. And we're going to be going with a Garrett G40 turbo. So that's going to be a 7170. Still dual wastegate and all that good stuff. Is just the manifold got a revision, new turbos from Garrett, basically. Tuned will be running all of their cars on a Garrett turbo, so they said why not put this car on a Garrett turbo. Yeah, another thing is, so the meth, as you can see, it was not hooked up, so they're also going to be hooking up the meth for me, making sure that's all plumbed and good. The car was only dyno tuned on pump E85, so this time we're going to be doing race gas. Most likely we'll do ignite red, I think it is, or black, I'm not sure, but it's pure E85. And otherwise than that, you just have to stay tuned to see, you know, what we got going on here. But she's on the trailer, she's ready to go, and we're about to head out of here. See you guys in a couple minutes. All straps are off. Got the guys with me. We're at the Tuned headquarters. Everything is currently locked up.